The human brain can't stand still, even when it gets to the top of the hill. Just can't stop and admire the view. Always got to have something new. The human brain's an intelligent fool. Build you a hospital, build you a school. You wake up the very next day, the progress train took it all away. The progress train can demolish your town, selling us heaven when we're hellbound. When we're hellbound, fed by apathy, driven by greed, always running at top speed, going so fast you won't notice it till it's past. Doesn't give a damn about yesterday when you forget what it took away. You'll know the progress train roll right over you. Juggernaut hurtling down the road, you're not in control, you're part of the load. Running the lights won't slow down, get in its way and it'll run you down. The progress train is on a one-way track, take you there, won't bring you back. And when you start singing, I'm alright, Jack, I'm alright, Jack, I'm alright, Jack, you'll know the progress train ran right into you. The girl in the red shoes had to dance, the progress train has to advance. Tables to turn, money to earn, bridges to burn. We never learn, got no destination, it'll go anywhere. Doesn't even know when it's got there. Got no beginning, got no end. Doesn't even care what's around the bend. Got to grow, got to change, build up, tear down, rearrange. Got to move on, dirty or clean. It's an atom bomb, it's a washing machine, it's a love song. It sings, seducing you with things that ease your heart and please your mind. The passengers sleep and the driver's blind. A fire in his pants, he don't dance, no romance. They want you now, they want you now, they want you now, and they'll have you now. That's the progress train, and it's right over you.